and I'm student from Universitas Haluoleo. Today I would like to talk about a topic that might sound simple but is very important for our daily health. The title of my presentation is The Importance of Hand Washing. The purpose of my talk is to explain why washing our hands is essential, how it helps prevent disease, the correct way to wash our hands, and why this habit should become part of our everyday life. Hand washing may look like a small action, but it is one of the most effective ways to prevent the spread of germs and infection. Our hands touch many things every day: books, phone, doorknobs, and money. All of these objects may carry bacteria and virus that can cause illness. When we touch our eyes, nose, or mouth with unclean hands, germs can easily enter our body and make you sick. That is why washing hands frequently is a simple but powerful way to protect ourselves and others from disease. Many infectious diseases such as diarrhea, flu, colds, and even COVID-19 spread through dirty hands. Study from the World Health Organization and the Center for Disease Control and Prevention show that regular hand washing can reduce respiratory infection by about 20% and diarrhea disease by up to 40%. This number shows that something as basic as washing hands can save millions of lives every year. Unfortunately, not everyone practices correctly or regularly. Some people think washing hands is only necessary when they look dirty, but in fact, impossible. Germs are the most dangerous on hand washing is most effective when done at the right time. We should wash our hands before eating, before preparing food, after using the toilet, after coughing or sneezing, after touching animal, and after coming home from outside. These are the moments when our hands are most likely to carry harmful germs. Washing hands with soap and clean water is the best method. Soap helps remove dirt and kill bacteria that water alone can't. The process should last at least 20 seconds. First, wet your hands with clean running water. Then, after enough soap, group your palms together. Then scrub the back of your hands between your fingers and under your nails. Don't forget your thumbs and wrists. After that, rinse your hands well under running water and dry them with a clean towel or air dryer. This simple process removes most germs and helps you stay healthy. When soap and water are not available, using hand sanitizer with at least 60% alcohol is a good alternative. However, sanitizer cannot remove all types of dirt or chemicals, so washing with soap and water is still the best choice whenever possible. Besides protecting our own health, hand washing also protect the people around us. When we keep our hands clean, we prevent germs from spreading to our family, friends, and community. This is especially important in places like school, office, hospitals, and food industry, where one person carelessness can cause many others to get sick. Teaching children to wash their hands early is also very important because good habits formed at a young age usually less lifetime. During the COVID-19 pandemic, hand washing became one of the main health protocols recommended by health experts around the world. It helped slow the spread of the virus and reminded people that personal hygiene is not just about appearance but about survival. Even after the pandemic, this lesson shall remain part of our life. And washing is not just about avoiding illness, it's a simple act of caring for ourselves and for others. As students, we can play a big role in promoting hand washing habits in our environment. We can start by practicing it ourselves, setting an example for our friends, and reminding each other to wash our hands before eating or after class. School can also support this by providing clean water, soap, and posters about hand washing steps in toilets or canteens. Government and health organizations must continue campaigns about hygiene and provide facilities, especially in rural areas where access to clean water is still limited. In many developing countries, lack of proper sanitation causes thousands of children to die every year from preventable diseases like diarrhea and cholera. Washing is a simple and effective way to prevent that. Therefore, it should be seen not only as a personal responsibility but also as a public health priority. Now I am coming to the end of my presentation. To summarize, hand washing is one of the easiest and most effective ways to prevent disease and maintain good health. It helps stop the spread of bacteria and viruses that can cause serious illnesses. Washing our hands with soap and clean water at the right times protect us and the people around us. We should always remember that clean hands save lives. By protecting good hygiene, we not only care for ourselves but also contribute to a healthier community. That's all from me. Thank you very much for your attention.